Hello everyone and welcome back. You know what today is. Today is product introduction time, and I am very excited about the product I get to share with you today. For those of you who have been following us around for the past few weeks, you know that, well, we bought a new rig and now we have two in our fleet, and I am here with the Grand Design 2970 RL, and we're talking about our major trip coming up to, well, we're going out west and we've got plenty of boondocking that we need to do, and one of the things that comes along with that is, how am I going to get my power to cover all the devices so I can work from those beautiful spots? And that's where today's video comes in handy, because they've got something that's going to solve a whole lot of problems for us on the road. First things first, we're going to be talking about solar today. And when we talk about solar, there's probably one company in particular that has its finger right on the pulse of what everybody needs for solar, and that's Renogy. And Renogy reached out to us and said, hey, what's your solar plans for this big road trip that you guys have coming up? And we said, we don't know yet. We're hesitant about putting permanent solar solutions on our new rig, because what if we decide to swap rigs halfway through? Then that means that we'd have to have two complete solar arrays, and that's kind of gets a little expensive. They said, no worries, Bob, we've got you covered. So this here, again, is just a portable solar blanket, and the first thing is we've played around with quite a few of these from other companies, is that the form factor is incredibly small. In fact, a lot of that 17 pounds, let's just kind of get a measurement here. We're looking at about 15.5 inches tall by about 16.25 wide. And as far as depth goes, when this is all packed up, you're looking at about 3 inches. So right off the bat, very small form factor, which I absolutely love. So I've had some of these that are just incredibly too big. And when they're too big, it becomes cumbersome and then you don't use them. So I have not played with this before, so you're gonna see this in real time, because this opens up to quite a big thing. As a matter of fact, have you bear with me, I'm gonna open this up on the floor. All right, before I go opening all this all the way up, I do wanna show you how this is packed. It comes with a nice shoulder strap, so you just throw that right on your shoulder and go, especially if you're going to a remote spot. And all your leads right here tie right in to the back, and when you're done, the theory being, you just put this in here, zip it up and go. Now give me a couple of seconds, I'm gonna come back with this fully open and show you what everything looks like. All right, now we have this thing wide open here, and one of the things I gotta tell you right off the bat is the build quality is incredible. This is very serious equipment here. This is very well stitched. Everything is just done. You can tell that it's just very solid. They also have on each corner of each solar panel is a tent hole or tent stake hole, so that you can anchor this down, or you could tie it down. You could throw it over the roof of your truck and just bungee cord it down. Perfect for anywhere that you need to put this. And as far as the open dimensions, you are looking at about 62.5 inches wide, and I'm thinking this is about the same long. So yeah, you're looking at about 65 on the other side. Very small form factor for 400 watts. And just in case I didn't mention that at the beginning, that's 400 watts of solar in this compact size. Now the big thing is here in Florida, mind you, we're outside of Kissimmee. For those of you wondering, we're at Tropical Palms RV Resort, kind of getting everything ready for our big adventure this, well, just a few weeks away. But we're gonna lay this out. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's just sun right here. We're gonna turn on our power bank so we can get a good idea where this is at. And already we're picking up, just laying down on the ground, and keep in mind there's an awning here. They've got a massive fifth wheel here, but just right out the bat, Carrie, come on in here. Get a nice shot of this. It's showing our setup here as Carrie walks through and covers some of it from the shade, but you can see we're pulling in 295 watts, and it's gonna bring up our battery here from 68 to 100%. You're looking at about 2 hours and 40 minutes to charge this up, and this is not a small battery pack. Since this panel is laid flat on the ground, its output could be significantly lower than something that's positioned optimally for the sun. Now, however, this panel is specifically designed for portability and compact convenience. Factors such as panel angle, sun angle, and also weather and temperature as well as seasonal variations can affect output. All right, while that 290 watts works to charge up our power station, let's talk about convenience. That 16, 17 pounds weight capacity, stow that in your shoulder and go. That opens up a world of possibilities that a permanent array cannot do for you. You can take this, you want to go on a guy's weekend and go out into the woods, but you still need power for whatever, your devices, stuff like that. It's easy, just throw this right on your shoulder and you go. 400 watts in such a compact size, I gotta tell you, this is probably one of the better arrays that I've seen, and just the flexibility, again, where you can just pick this up, and this is not heavy at all. You throw this on the roof of your truck, you could throw this on the hood of your truck, hell, you can throw this anywhere. As long as there's sun, you're gonna have power. Pretty big thing, and it's nice to see, you know, the solar changes coming out. Now, I can tell you that just a few years ago, you couldn't do this. You couldn't stand on one of these. You couldn't do that because it would be out all your money. Really nice here. Okay, as far as stepping on this panel, now, this panel is not, and I repeat, not designed to be walked on, but it is made out of impact resistant materials. And now let's talk about waterproof and IP65 protection. Yes, this does have a splash proof protection, but it's not meant for wet applications. So if you see the rain coming in, roll that puppy up, wait for a sunnier time. Again, very well built, very well designed. Right now the real test is, I could walk on this all day long. We get the point, it's durable, right? But the real test comes in, how hard is it gonna be to put it back to the form factor it was coming out the box? Because we've all been there and done that. First things first, we're gonna disconnect it from the power station. So one other thing I wanna mention real quick is that when you are plugging this into a power station, to make sure that you check your power station for compatibility and to make sure that you have the appropriate cables, because some will need additional stuff beyond what I showed here today. It's something to always check with the manufacturer, and that's where research comes in handy to make sure that you're using all the necessary and appropriate equipment. And we're going to disconnect this from the leads. Now, this cable does not come included to charge your power station. That's something you normally get with your power station, but the leads out the back is something I'm interested in, seeing how this folds back up. We're gonna fold it up just like this, and take this other one here. And just, wow, I actually expected that to go a lot harder. Carrie and I were talking off camera, and one of the things I said, how many takes will this take to get this done? That was actually probably one of the easiest things I've done in quite a while. And then as far as the cable goes, we just roll that back up here and stuff it right into the bag. It's an interesting thing too, because Carrie and I have had moments where we've had stuff out like this and we've had to pick up in a hurry. And I gotta say, that was one of the fastest I've ever done. But let's put this strap on here, right over here. And the other side. They also include a secondary strap in case you want to do, you don't like this setup where you can just throw and go. So you wanted more of a backpack setup. Well, you can do that too, because Renogy thought of that ahead of time. That's where that second strap comes in. And you just pop that on just like this. And then you can just like in grade school, get that going on. Next thing you know, you're Bob the Explorer looking for the map and just having it, as I need to adjust those straps, but you get the idea. A great little product. This is the portable solar panel blanket from Renogy. Again, 400 watts in such a small, compact, quick to activate and get going form factor. I like that. So we do want to give a great shout out to Renogy, and we'll put links in the video description as well as the pinned comment for any additional information. But not too many companies will give you a product and let you have free reign. There's no scripts here, there's no talking points prior to them sending this out. This is just them having a good product and they want somebody honest to do a introduction for it. We're very excited for Renogy. They've done a fantastic job. And if you are in the market for something like this, we highly recommend you check out Renogy and their 400 watt solar blanket. Until next time, I am Bob.